Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup shared projects with Google Team Drive setup step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive and navigate to your Team Drive. Locate the Team Drive that contains the shared project you want to backup. Click on the Team Drive to access its contents. Select the specific folder or files you wish to backup. To backup an entire folder, click on the folder name. For individual files, hold down the Control key and click on each file. Once you have selected the files or folder, right-click on your selection. From the context menu, choose Download. The files will be compressed into a zip file if you are downloading a folder. Wait for the download process to complete. Check your computer's Downloads folder for the downloaded zip file. If you downloaded a folder, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All to unzip it. Now, your backup files are ready and stored securely on your local device. To ensure further safety, consider uploading the backup to a separate cloud service. Open your preferred cloud storage service and sign in. Create a dedicated backup folder in that cloud storage. Upload your extracted files or folder to this new backup location. Make sure to verify that all files have been successfully uploaded. Regularly repeat this process to maintain an up-to-date backup of your shared projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.